Alright guys, the Oscar train should be here in about 20 seconds, so I'll unpause when it comes. Alright guys, the Oscar train is now
We have a
here.
modern place train about to arrive on platform number 14A, modern place. I already said that.
Trip View said it was 4 cars, it's actually 8 cars. Cool. Well, we have to make him blow the horn at him.
Well, maybe or maybe not.
What do you mean, you silly?
Focus.
I think it's H32. Yeah, H32. Wow.
H32.
I can see far away. Should I do this?
It says Kembla. It's supposed to be says modern place.
Oh, it's going to...
And the room for buses.
It's...
H46.
Yep, H46 is the rear 4 cars of this train.
Modern place via Wollongong. This train will stop at Coniston.
Alright, Oscar train is now departing.
Oh,
I blew the horn.
Alright, H32 and H46 departing.
Well, the next stop is Wollongong, followed by North Wollongong, Thirroul, Helensburgh, Sutherland, Hurstville, Walleye Creek, Redfern, Central, Town Hall and Martin Place. We have a Kembla service arriving on platform number 1. H34 is the front 4 cars. Adam, front 4 cars, you silly. Hey, put the thumbs up. Right, we have the Oscar train departing. Yellow, I think you're going to blow the horn. Please blow the horn. Hey! Oh, he's pointed at me because I got scared.
I didn't got scared, I just blocked my ears.
At first I didn't think he was going to blow the horn. And...
Beautiful cars H44.
Oh, okay.
And it's slowing down due to
Switch track.
a switching point, so it's going to slow down.
Wait.
Don't want to get in an accident.
Wait, he was like this. Like he blew the horn and I was like, ooh, and then he did this at me.
Oh my god, yes. Listen.
Adam. The next stop is Unanderra, followed by Coniston. I'm dumb. Unanderra, followed by Dapto, Albion Park, Oak Flats, Shellharbour Junction, Minamara, Bomber, and Kayama. Alright guys, we have a Tangara at the next G set.
We have a Tangara arriving at platform number 1.
It's an X. No, it's not an XD set. I'm blind. Oh, it is T121. It's been renumbered. Look at the bottom. Oh, this one's the same over there, but the front carriage has been replaced, renumbered. That's a bit unusual. Alright. Oh, love that sound. Goodbye, Tangara. This train's next stop will be Wollongong, followed by North Wollongong, Fairy Meadow, Taraji, Carmel, Bellambi, Woonona, Bulli, Thirroul, Austinme, Coaldale, Wombara, Scarborough, Coalcliff, Stanwell Park, Otford, Helensburgh and Waterfall. Guys, the signal up there is yellow. The Tangara departed about a minute or 2 ago, and the junction down there has switched, which means the 82 class is coming. The 82 class that was there is actually going to be leading this train because it went back to couple onto it. So I'll see you when it comes. Never mind guys, 8207 is leading.
Hang on.
It's leading.
And we have the 82 class train about to pass platform number 1. Lean Loco 8207.
I'm assuming it's definitely an MC run, but I'm assuming it's MC91.
MC91.
I think so. Alright, we have to make him blow the horn, Adam.
Well,
No, not now. He's a bit far away. Hey! Adam! Yeah!
Yeah, let's go.
Woo! I'm doing a silly dance.
If it's going fast, it's not that long. But it's slowing down by the way.
No, it's just coal carriages. I'm gonna pause and I'll pause when the back engine comes because it's just wasting my space. And the engine at 8201! Hey, remember that? Go on. One time at Belambie I saw 8201 on the light engine movement and then 8207. Stupid flies, get off my arm. No, I didn't see me do the horn thing. 8201 at the back. Hey Adam, remember that time at Belambie we saw 8201 the light engine movement and then 8207?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Two light engine movements.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, we didn't put on our channel.
No, not yet.
Damn it.
It's in my horn and whistle compilation though. Alright, that's good. Now the junction is still switched. The one like right there. But this track junction is also switched, so I'm not sure there's like a freight train or something. Right, guys, we have a through service. Through service, another 8 car. Our train should be here in about a couple minutes. H54 is the front 4 cars. And the rear 4 cars is H7. Alright guys, we have our train coming. H10, going to Port Kembla.
Kembla service arriving at platform number 2. H10 is the set.
Going to Port Kembla.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below. See you next time.
Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, turn on notifications and comment down below. Thank you for all watching and make sure you subscribe to Adz Train Vlogs. The link will be in the description below. Bye! NR97, 8254 and 8252 on the steel train. Hey, there's 2 82s there.
A lot of... Oh, look at that carriage.
Yeah. Look at all these steel
Hey, do you know
train
those stock wagons? Like
Yeah.
this one.
Look at all these carriages.
Yeah. The shunting.
Hey, look, I saw a TT class.
There's
Like
plenty of-
at the locomotive yard.
Yeah. Oh, this carrying the 82 class carriage.
No, that's the coal hopper.
Train terminates at Port Kembla.
Oh, over this side we have a TT class.
Hey, blue horn.
Attention customers, our next stop is Port Kembla. This will be the last and final stop for the service.
TT 108 over there. Hold on. TT 108 and 8148. There's some 48 classes, there's 8005, 8212, and then there's the station. So I'll do a walkthrough of all the locomotives. Actually, no, I'll do a slideshow and just take photos. Alright. Oh, there's LDP 004 over there. Right, so down there we have 8046 and 8211. I heard something. H10. That's a waterfall service. Next stop is all stations to waterfall. This is it. Yes! Adam, we just made it. TT 109. Oh, yes. Yay! Oh, yes, I thought we missed it. Adam! There's one on the back as well. There's one on the back. This train's going to Dunmore. At the back there's TT 107. Yeah, TT 107 at the back. That's going to Dunmore Shell Harbour. Oh, I thought we missed it, but we didn't. Yay!
We've got the limestone train.
No, that's a stone train. By the way, that's 19...
You said the limestone
No,
train.
I said the stone train. That's the quarry stone train. Well, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to Adz Train Vlogs. And we'll see you next time. Bye!